Fuck. I knew this was gonna happen, guys.
You like lean too far or something.
I don't do anything.
Like, I don't even know, because me and Chase both did. Chase, like, I did that on purpose. You, I just went straight, and then you started, like, turning.
Ah, fuck.
This is on video, by the way.
Oh, fuck. I don't know what happens to me. I don't know
Wait,
what.
let me see how he falls.
Maybe God's like.